So we like big printers here, and this is one we're working on right now. This is a custom build. We're using the S5's old bed. This sucker's got to weigh probably at least 20 pounds. Weighs more than our kid, I can tell you that. But we got a full CoreXY motion system here. We actually used parts from the Mercury 1 to do the CoreXY. This is a bed from a CR10 S5 with custom brackets we designed, running on 4 12mm linear rods. We got linear rails up top on all the axes up here. So we got 2 for Y and 1 for X. And this is going to have a build volume of 500 by 500 by almost 600. So there will be dual motors on here to drive the lead screws, and we're going to be able to do actual bed tilt compensation in the left to right direction because we're going to be independently driving these motors. And then for the tool head here, we got the Orbiter O2 tool head board to drive the whole tool head setup. So check that out.